Hello, this is DJ, and welcome back to our fun adventure. Today we're going to be doing another cooking series. And today we're going to be cooking my recipe, which is the second recipe in the book, and is also the one that I have stuck in my memory. Okay? It is actually the most creative one with names, called Soupy Eggs and Rice. Okay? Now you can cook this with 2 to 3 eggs. I'm just going to cook it with 2. So you'll need a frying pan, you'll need some eggs, you'll need this microwavable jasmine rice. That's just what I recommend. You could probably use any other rice. So first you gotta, first I would just crack the eggs in here first, like that. And if you don't have a garbage disposal, just put them in the trash. Gotta make sure they break every time. Okay. And now I should wash my hands. But first, I should turn this thing on. Yeah, that's good. So just turn it around in 7 near. And make sure you wash your hands after putting the eggs in, because it gets them yolky, which has got raw egg on it, so that won't be good. So you gotta leave this cooking, and I only need a hot top. What size is that? That fits. Okay. First, you actually need to add water to it, though. So if you go over here to the sink, doesn't matter what type of water, cold, you just need to go like this. You do that a couple times. Then you gotta pour it on the eggs. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Now at this stage, you want to turn it up a little bit. So I'd turn it up to 8, maybe even 9. Okay. So that's going to be cooking for a little bit. So for the jasmine rice, it says remove the film entirely. Ooh, it's already filmed, but you need to heat it for 1 minute in the microwave. So you just need to put it in the microwave here. Alright, put it in there for 1 minute. I'm gonna get a plate. Oh, they're in here. So that's gonna be cooking for a little bit. But yeah. So see guys when these things are finished. But you'll be able to tell when the eggs are finished when most of it just is covered by white. So I'm going to turn it up a little bit more, on the 9 basically. And I'll see you guys when it's finished. Alright guys, so we're back. Everything in the microwave's finished. This is getting there. So you need to take the rice out like this. Alright. And then what you're going to want to do is bring your plate over here. For now, I'd just turn this down. Actually, I'd turn it off because the steam in there is probably going to continue cooking it. Okay? Yeah, dump it out like that. Ooh, steamy. So yeah, that should be empty. And then you can throw it away. So then you can grab a spoon, fork, or whatever's, which I'll grab in a second here. And then you can just flatten it out like this. If you can see what I'm doing. It's kind of chopping it, flattening it a little bit. So it'll be like that. By now the eggs should be ready. Maybe. I'll turn it up to like 3 or whatever. Just to make the process go a little bit faster. But actually I think it is cooked. So I think it's pretty cooked. Not quite sure, but I'm pretty sure that's pretty cooked. Might need to be cooked for a little longer, but yeah, I'd cook it for a little longer. So we'll turn it up to like 6 or something, 7, and just keep on cooking. The steam's kind of run out in there, so I'm gonna leave it covered just because if we open it, steam, even more steam will be let out. So this will, yeah, that'll just make it better. So I'll see you guys when those are done. All right, so. Seems to have exploded a little bit, but the eggs are actually okay. If you can just barely see that. You can barely see that in there. So now, you're gonna wanna pull this off. Now steam will come out of it. It'll be kinda hot, so good thing to do is take it off the burner that's actually hot. And then, so you're gonna wanna pull it towards you like this, kinda, so that the steam doesn't get all over you. And as you can maybe just barely see, steam just went out of that. But yeah, the eggs are a little bit messed up, but they're cooked. Alright, stove will still say hot surface even though it's off. So now I need one of these spatulas. What you're going to want to do is, because this is a way to cook it without getting it crispy, you're going to want to cut it. Like separate the 2 eggs. Now, if you cook it, now if there is a little bit of crisp on it, then yeah, like on the bottom, because there's, oh dear, I forgot to use non-stick spray. But yeah, you're actually supposed to use non-stick spray. It won't stick as bad as it did, but it didn't stick too bad. So you're gonna wanna put it on the plate. So yeah, a lot of this kind of stuck because I didn't use the stick spray, so that's something that you should remember. Always use stick spray, non-stick spray. It doesn't matter what type as long as it works. And then it'll make it a lot easier. And then you can probably just like go like this. And that's how you flip them. That would be how to flip them good. I didn't flip them because this is a way you don't have to, because it's not really easy for me to flip them. What you're just going to do now is just chop them up like this, so that the eggs and so you're going to chop them up, make them a little small, mix them around a little bit. Yeah, like this. So you can see the eggs do look a little bit better now that they're chopped and mixed. They look mixed in more. So I'll see you guys on the table when I try this out. We're now at the table. We're going to try out exactly what's in here. So, as you just saw, there's just eggs, a little bit of soup. Like, that's the good part, is the yellow yolk one. You know you cooked it right when it's really soupy. Why do you think I call it that? All right, so let's try this out, see how it tastes. Appears I made that perfectly. So sometimes when you get it, like when you're not cooking it quite right, then it'll, like bubbles will start fizzing and they'll cover all the eggs. That's what happened to me, as you saw before, maybe. But yeah, so that's what happened. But that's going to be this episode here. I hope you did indeed enjoy, and I hope this was a very helpful tutorial on what to have for breakfast on Sunday morning. And I'll see you guys in the next episode of Class Cookery. Goodbye!